As the field developed, there was also a group, the Transformative mediators. Bush and Folger, in their book Promise of Mediation, talk about the model of mediator as someone whose purpose is different from that of the judge settling a case in the back rooms, a settlement conference, the purpose to settle, or of the facilitator who, using the Harvard negotiation project and the general theory of negotiation, contemporary theory of negotiation, that sees negotiation as a problem-solving process in which we don't so much compete with the other party as collaborate or cooperate with the other party to achieve a resolution that's going to maximize gains for everybody, a win-win type of resolution that's going to identify everybody's interests and find options that are going to meet those interests and generate something that's going to achieve the richest possible deal under the circumstances at that point in time for everybody. That's what the facilitator might see him or herself as, a facilitator of problem solving. So the Transformers say, hey, our purpose as mediators is not to engage in problem solving. Our purpose is not to settle a case. Our purpose is twofold: to foster empowerment and to foster recognition. And the transformative theory is that when people are in a dispute, they don't feel good. They are defensive. They hunker down, and they can't really see what's going on for the other person. If those same parties are enabled to feel empowered, if they're able to see that they've got choices they could make, and the mediator can raise up those opportunities, those choices for the parties and say, hey, you've got a choice here. You want to negotiate or not? You want to talk or not? What would you like to say? You want to say this or that? What kind of proposal would you like to make? Do you want to accept that proposal or not? How do you want to structure your deal? All these choices empower the parties. And when the parties are empowered, then they gain the strength to stop just thinking about defending themselves and to see what's going on for somebody else. And that growth in the capacity for recognition, the opportunity for recognition, is the second of those two purposes of the transformative mediator, empowerment and recognition. And with the capacity to have empathy for the other comes the transformation from which transformative mediation derives its name. The transformation is the growth of empathy. Himmelstein and Friedman talk about an understanding-based model for mediation. Jones v. Smith, get beneath the V. See that everybody is living in this world together. A common understanding, a growing, deepening, richer understanding of oneself, the other, the legal context, the deal possibilities. That building of understanding of meaning and values and principles can lead to a resolution.